Om Swastiastu, Salam Harmony. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adrianus Iwayan Ileido Sukmana. Today I will present the result of my research with my colleague Dr. Komang Sudarmo, which entitled Optimizing Student Photography Skill Through Effort Development of Project-Based E-Learning in Photography course. The background for our research is photography is one of the courses offered by the Educational Technology Department as a profession for students. Although photography is currently a trend, student mastery on theoretical concept is still low. The weakness of student understanding on basic photography has an impact to the quality of student skill on photography. Based on the data collected, student learning outcomes are less than optimal. Therefore, based on the phenomenon, a solution that chosen to optimize student learning outcome in photography theory is develop a project-based e-learning course. The objective of this research is to find out the effectiveness of project-based e-learning course in optimizing student learning outcome in photography skill. This research is development research that use the Ictes-Paper Id development model procedure, which consists of analyze, design, development, and implementation, and also evaluate that take place in each puzzle. And then the hypothesis on this research is there are significant difference in student learning outcome in photography before using the project-based e-learning course and after using the project-based e-learning course. Research subject on this study is first, expert review stage, one content expert, one learning design expert, and one instructional media expert. And then 3 students as individual test subject, 12 students as small group subject, 44 students as subject of product effectiveness test. At the testing puzzle, this development product goes through 3 testing puzzles, namely, first, the media validity test include content expert review, media expert review, and learning design expert review. Second, product trial puzzle include individual testing and small group testing. Third, product effectiveness test puzzle. The following show that the result of product development that were successfully developed. This is front page of project-based e-learning course views, and then this is material presentation page views, and this is learning activity survey view. Implementation result. The implementation puzzle of this research is carried out in the form of testing. The data from the result of this study are presented in the table below. The table that presents the expert review result shows that all experts give response that this product is very well qualified. Meanwhile, individual testing also get the same response. 3 response who came from individual trial students give a very good response, where the average individual trial is 95. From individual trial that small group trial were carried out. Based on the table that presents the result of the small group trial, it shows that the average value of the student response is 92.92, and this is in the very good category. The next step, and which is the most important step of this research, is effectiveness product testing. The product effectiveness test was carried out by non-parametric statistical test using the Wilcoxon method. From the analysis using the Wilcoxon method, the probability value, p-value, that has been obtained is 0.0001, which is smaller than the critical research threshold, that is 0.05. Thus, the alternative hypothesis of this study can be accepted. So it can be said that there are significant differences in student learning outcome in photography before using the project-based e-learning course and after using the project-based e-learning course. The conclusion of this study. Based on the tests that have been carried out, it can be concluded that the project-based e-learning are effective in improving the student photographic learning outcomes. That is our research result that I can present. I close this presentation with Parama Santi. Om Santi 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 Om. Salam Harmoni.